Say hello to 2nd Avenue Centre Gainesville, where modern convenience, campus closeness, and unparalleled luxury collide. Only for you. These stunning 1, 2, and 4-bedroom apartments come furnished with spacious beds, a dedicated workspace, a fully equipped kitchen, a stylish entertainment center, and in-unit laundry for hassle-free wash days. You'll also enjoy your own private room and bathroom. Electricity and speedy internet are already included in your rent. Boost your focus in the Academic Success Center with IMAX and free printing. Then unwind in the fitness center, cool off with a swim, or catch a film in the theater room. For extra fun, challenge friends in the arcade. With secure parking, 24-hour staff support, courtesy patrol, and roommate matching, life in this gated community is smooth and stress-free. Plus, University of Florida is just minutes away by car, keeping campus within reach. With buses on Innovation Square East, 720 Southwest 2nd Avenue, and Southwest 6th Street right down the road, cruising through the city is seamless. Come, join the student community at 2nd Avenue Centre Gainesville via amberstudent.com today.